The right lens genuinely matters more than the camera body, shaping everything from sharpness to bokeh to what you can even shoot. For Nikon Z shooters in 2026, there's a genuinely brilliant lens for every style and budget, from versatile all-in-ones to pro-grade zooms. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The Nikon Nikkor Z 24 to 120 mm 4S is the genuine do-it-all standout that many photographers consider the ideal everyday lens for Nikon Z cameras. The standout is the genuinely versatile 24 to 120 mm range, which covers wide-angle landscapes, everyday shooting, portraits, and short telephoto reach in one lens, meaning you rarely need to swap glass, a real convenience for travel and events. The constant f4 aperture delivers consistent exposure and pleasing background blur throughout the zoom range. And as an S-line lens, it delivers genuinely excellent, sharp, professional image quality across the frame. The quality build with weather-sealing handles, professional use in varied conditions, and the fast, quiet autofocus locks on reliably for stills and video. The reasonable size and weight keep it genuinely practical to carry all day. For photographers who want a genuinely versatile, sharp, professional do-it-all lens that covers most situations in one, the Nikkor Z 24 to 120 mm 4S is the most versatile, most everyday ideal pick on this entire list. Check the link below and grab it today. One lens for almost everything. The Nikon Nikkor Z 24 to 70 mm f2.8S is the genuine professional workhorse, the go-to standard zoom that working pros genuinely rely on for its image quality and bright aperture. The standout is the constant f2.8 aperture, which delivers genuinely excellent low-light performance and beautiful, creamy background blur throughout the zoom range, essential for professional portraits, weddings, and events. As a premium S-line lens, it delivers genuinely exceptional, edge-to-edge sharpness and professional image quality that working photographers demand. The versatile 24 to 70 mm range covers wide angle through short telephoto, handling the vast majority of professional shooting situations in one lens. The genuinely robust, weather-sealed build handles demanding professional use in any conditions, and the fast, silent autofocus locks on reliably for stills and video. The customizable controls add professional convenience. For working professionals and serious enthusiasts who want the genuine standard zoom workhorse with a bright f2.8 aperture and pro image quality, the Nikkor Z 24 to 70 mm of 2.8S is the most professional, most workhorse pick on this entire list. The Nikon Nikkor Z 24 to 200 mm f4 to 6.3 VR is the genuine ultimate travel and all-in-one lens, delivering an incredibly versatile zoom range in a single genuinely convenient package. The standout is the enormous 24 to 200 mm range, which covers everything from wide-angle landscapes to substantial telephoto reach for wildlife and distant subjects, meaning you can leave every other lens at home, a real advantage for travel and everyday versatility. The built-in VR image stabilization genuinely helps you get sharp shots handheld, even at longer focal lengths and in lower light. Despite the huge range, it delivers genuinely good, sharp image quality, and the compact, lightweight design for its reach keeps it genuinely practical to carry all day. The quiet, reliable autofocus locks on well for stills and video, and the quality build handles regular use. For travelers and everyday shooters who want the genuinely most versatile, all-in-one zoom range in one convenient lens, the Nikkor Z 24 to 200 mm is the most travel versatile, most all-in-one pick on this entire list. The Nikon Nikkor Z 50mm f1.8S is the classic nifty 50 reimagined for Nikon's Z series mirrorless cameras, and it genuinely punches well above its price class. As an S-line lens, it delivers exceptional edge-to-edge sharpness that stays crisp even wide open at f1.8, making it a superb all-rounder for portraits, street, everyday, and low-light shooting. That bright f1.8 aperture produces beautiful, creamy background blur and strong low-light performance, while the natural 50mm focal length mirrors how the eye sees for genuinely lifelike images. The fast, near-silent autofocus locks on reliably for both stills and video, and the weather-sealed build feels premium and durable. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry all day. For anyone wanting one versatile, high-quality prime that delivers professional results without the weight or cost of a pro zoom, this nifty 50 is an easy recommendation. Closing out the list with the Nikon Nikkor Z 28-400mm f4:8 VR. The genuine ultimate super zoom that delivers an astonishing focal range from wide angle all the way to serious telephoto in a single lens. The standout is the genuinely incredible 28-400mm range, one of the widest zoom ranges available, which covers wide-angle landscapes, portraits, sports, wildlife, and distant subjects all in one lens, genuinely eliminating any need to swap glass. A real advantage for travel, safari, and versatile shooting. The built-in VR stabilization genuinely helps you get sharp handheld shots even at the extreme 400mm telephoto end. Despite the massive range, it delivers genuinely good image quality, and the reasonable size for its enormous reach keeps it surprisingly practical. The quiet, reliable autofocus locks on well for stills and video, and the quality build handles regular use. For travelers, wildlife shooters, and anyone who wants the single most versatile super zoom range that covers wide to serious telephoto, the Nikkor Z 28-400mm is the most super zoom, most reach versatile pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because lens deals move fast. If this helped you find the right Nikon lens, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech and gear reviews every week. See you in the next one.